we climb. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go.
What's going on, you two?
We can't get the snowman's head all the way up there.
We're too short.
So what are you going to do?
We'll just find something else to do.
Good idea. There's no way we can finish this.
Well, how about we make up a story?
Okay, about a mouse.
Who wanted to build a house?
And the name of the story can be The Mouster Builder.
Once upon a time, there lived a little mouse who dreamed of building himself a house.
Made of cheese.
But when the mouse tried to build his dream house, he didn't have much luck at all.
Oh, Mamma mia!
And that was a good day.
Oh, little Liro!
And just when the mouse thought it couldn't get any worse...
Ow! Why me?
I hope he's all right.
He really should have a doctor look at him.
Hey, we can be the doctors, Kit.
Great idea, Kate. Let's go help that poor guy.
Go, kitties, let's go!
To the patient.
Don't worry, we'll help you.
We'll get you to the hospital, and you'll feel better in no time.
But I need to finish my house. See?
Dr. Kate, we must get him on a stretcher, now!
What about the bag?
I got it.
Whoa! Oh!
What about the bag?
I got it.
Whoa! Oh! Maybe you need a little help with that bag.
Thanks. We couldn't have done this without your help.
Wait a second. That's it. I just need a little help too. Would you help me build my house?
Sure.
Thanks for asking.
I'm feeling better already. Ah. Can you hold it right here so I can hammer it in?
Sure.
It sure is easier when you ask for help. That's it, kid. Just hold it steady.
You got it.
And Kate, can you spread that cheese right here to hold these together?
Come in right up.
Okay, kittens, great. I'm ready for another shingle. Can you pass one up?
Sure.
Happy to help.
Thanks to you two. I couldn't have done it without you.
That was a great story, Dad.
So all the mouse had to do was ask for help?
Yep, it was as simple as that.
Well, then, could you help us with our snowman, Dad?
My pleasure. Ready for the eyes and nose?
I got it. Can you lift me up?
Of course.
Okay, Kate. Your turn with the mouth and scarf.
Ready.
Looking good, Dad.
Yeah, thanks for your help and your story.
Aw, shucks. It's no big deal.
Where will we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be kitties fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitties, let's go. Dad, finally!
Where's the pizza?
Um,
Dad, you promised.
sorry, kids. I've had so many things on my mind. Don't worry, I'll get one delivered. Done. And while we're waiting, we can make up a story.
About a dragoon.
Who wanted to fly up into outer space?
Yeah, and let's call the story Dragoon to the Moon.
Once there was a dragoon who dreamed of flying into outer space, so she went to school and studied to learn how.
Hey, can you play tomorrow? Oh, I forgot. Tomorrow's your big outer space flying test. Don't worry, you'll do great. And after you pass, you can take me on a ride into outer space. Oh, I wish there was a gift shop where I could go and get the Dragoon a good luck present.
Hey, let's open a gift shop.
Yeah, and help the Catelephant pick out something perfect. Go, kitties, let's go! Welcome to Perfect Presents. For any gift you're looking for, Perfect Presents is the store. I need a present to wish my friend good luck on her spaceflight test.
Here, take a look in our catalog.
How about chocolates? That might make her space sick. A snow globe?
Nah, I think she prefers clear skies.
Oh, right. Did I mention that she's part balloon? Oh, then I know the perfect gift. A helium rocket balloon. That is perfect. And make it extra large for an extra, extra good friend. You think it's big enough? So big it needs 3 rope holders. But I'm all alone.
Don't worry, we'll help.
We promise.
You can count on us.
So, how do we get to your friends? Well, we've got to go up this hill, through Charming Town, and then down the other side to his house. Wow, this really is charming.
Look, a candy store. Hold this.
We'll be right back.
Blob blobs. I'll take a barrel.
And Twist Fizzlers, my favorite. A barrel for me, too. Uh-oh.
Oh, no!
Let's run to the Dragoon. He's the only one that can save the Catelephant.
Running won't be fast enough.
Then, let's roll!
But I love blob globs.
Kit, we have to save the Catelephant. Look!
It's our fault.
We didn't hold on to the ropes like we promised.
Yes, we promise we'll keep our promises from now on. Catelephant, we'll save you.
Just hang on!
What an exciting rescue!
Who are you?
The Dragoon's flight school teacher. Looks like you passed your test a day early. And with flying colors. Congratulations!
You know what that means? Woohoo!
You see that?
That's why you have to keep your promises.
Kittens, your room is a mess. You promised you'd clean it up.
But Dad started telling us such a good story.
Oh, by the way, dear, did you pick up my shirt for work tomorrow?
Sorry, I was going to, but my friend called and...
Pizza!